Hi, I'm Jeff with Westcott Designs, and we're going to talk about some Bilstein 6112s and some 5100s here. I get a lot of customers ask me, so what's the reason for your collar? Why do you use it? What's the benefit? So I'm going to start with a 6112, which is this one. It's a 2.5-inch diameter shock housing here. Basically, when you take this 6112 and you put it at the highest setting here, this gives you 2.5 inches of height on the vehicle. At 2.5 inches, most people are trying to achieve 3 inches of lift. The downfall is when you put this one all the way at the highest setting, which would have to be on the driver's side, and then you've got to put the one on the passenger side down 2 clips, you're really not going to get a full 2.5 inches with the weight of the driver and the gas tank on the driver's side. So when they say it's 2.5 inches, if this was set at top clip height and you had it on the passenger side, yes, you're going to pick up a full 2 inches, but then the car is going to have a lean to the driver's side, leaning down because of the additional weight. So a lot of people say, well, you know, I want to get full 3 inches. And so for that reason, we have our Preload, our Westcott Designs Preload collar, which is a billet machined aluminum collar. Basically for us, we actually go down 2 clip heights on the driver's side and actually another 2 clip heights on the passenger side. So we actually run in a clip number 1 on the passenger and clip number 3 on the driver's side. So we don't need to max it out. But this here, this setup right here, this gives us a full 3 inches on the vehicle, where this one at the max clip height doesn't even give you 3 inches, and then it's gonna have a lean. So what we can do is we can offset this to get it a full 3 inches on the driver's side, then offset on the passenger side and get the truck to sit level left or right. So that is kind of just showing you the factory collar that Bilstein offers. This is our billet aluminum collar here that we offer that will compensate the suspension on the truck, so you can get that full 3 inches with the factory upper control arms and still get it to align properly. So now we'll start over here on the 5100s. The 5100s, this is the factory steel collar. It's a stamped piece of steel, and it slides over the housing. You can see on this one here at the top setting on this, same situation. I put this all the way in the top setting here. The collar's all the way down, the spring's on it. This is good at the highest setting at 2.3 inches, which if I put both of these on the highest setting, I'm gonna pick up 2.3 inches on the passenger side, and I'm gonna lose a little bit because of the weight of the driver and the gas tank. So I'm really gonna come in right at 2 inches, and the car is gonna have somewhat of a lean, and you're not gonna pick up a full 3 inches or even close to a full 3 inches on this setup. So what we've done again is we have machined a billet aluminum collar. Now we take this down. We actually don't even need to go to the top setting. We actually go to the second setting on this with our collar on this with this complete kit, and we're able to get a full 3 inches on the driver's side, and we go to the bottom setting on the passenger side. So we've got this thing set up at 3 inches. Obviously we do have more room here. If you did have a aftermarket control arm where you had more alignment adjustments, yes, you could go up higher on the front of the vehicle. Obviously you get to a point where you don't get full smooth suspension travel if you go all the way up to the highest setting. But if you go this route on the second setting here with our billet collar, you can get your 3 inches on the driver's side and a full even left to right on this vehicle. So here are our 5100 collar. This is our preload collar here. Here's the 6112s. Here's our preload collar here. And you can definitely see the difference in the size here. And you definitely can see the difference here in the size of our collar versus the factory OEM or Bilstein collar. So hope this helps a little bit. We hope you enjoy it, and if you do have any questions about any of our kits and how they work and what they do, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to help you and answer any questions that you may have. So thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.